Hello people, welcome to my channel Physio Guide by Divya. Physio Guide by Divya. So today I'm going to teach about who are the medical team members, healthcare team, medical staff, who are the medical staff. So first one, physiatrist. Physiatrist is a leader of the team, and he will have the knowledge of he will have the knowledge of every condition and suggestion and visitor. Based on the condition, he suggests the doctors. Okay. Orthopedic, he is the bone specialist, like any fracture conditions, any trauma, any arthritis conditions, spine surgeries also he'll do. Surgeon means surgeries. Next one, neurologist. Neurologist means he'll see the disorders of a nerve, based on the nerve and nervous system, like brain, spinal cord, brain damage, spinal cord damaged patients. And neurosurgeon is a person who specializes in diagnosis and surgical treatment of central and peripheral nervous system, like accident condition in trauma accident, or infection in brain and spinal and in stroke patients. Surgeon means he'll do surgeries mainly. Plastic surgeon means you perform surgery to repair part of body by one part of body to other by transfer of tissue. Okay, plastic surgeon, he'll do our surgeries, prepare and transfer of tissues. Psychiatrist means especially in treatment mental illness patients specialist. Okay, now pediatrician is he's specialist in children, in seeing in children and the disease in treating the patient, children's. Okay. Obstetrician means the person, gynecology also we can say, who treat pregnancy, women's childbirth, who do pregnancy, deliveries, and women who check women reproductive system. Okay, now geneticist is expert in hereditary means like DNA, RNA, like that. Okay, now neonatologist means he's a specialist newborn. Neo means only newborn, we can say. He's a specialist in care of newborn child. Rheumatologist means he's a diagnosis and treatment. He'll diagnose and treat in patients of rheumatoid condition, rheumatoid disease patients. We'll say as a rheumatologist. And cardiologist means who treat heart disease and heart abnormalities, like that. Cardiac surgeon means he'll do surgeries on heart and major blood vessels. General surgeon means he'll know all the surgical procedure and techniques. Oncologist means the person in the field of is in the field of cancer, treating patients. Urologist means is a specialist in disease of urinary tract and male reproductive system. Ophthalmologist means the person who is a specialist and study and treatment of disorders and disease of eye mainly. Otorhinolaryngologist, the person who deals with surgical and medical management of conditions of head and neck, like ENT and head and neck surgeon is a. General physician and family physician. General physician means the person who sees general conditions range from cold, cough, nausea, and major big conditions like chronic conditions like jaundice, cholera, etc. Family person means the person who visits family, and he'll read the conditions. Now paramedical, play and drama therapist, socio-vocational. So what is paramedical? So paramedical, first one, physiotherapist. Physiotherapist is the main member, a very important member of rehabilitation team, and he's he'll as the patient in movement restoration. to build up their movement. Okay, I'll independently I'll explain them in clearly in next videos. Okay, so first in short I'm explaining occupational therapist. By WHO, occupational means art of science, man's participating in selected activities to restore. Occupational specialist means self-care specialist, to assist them by, like activities like dressing, cooking, feed, eating, like that. Art of science of directing man's participating in selected activities. Okay, next one, creative and movement therapist. He's a therapist, works with the mind and body condition and dance. He'll help them to dance for health and good social behavior. Recreation therapist means he'll help in reducing the depression, stress, anxiety by art, dance and sports. Okay, prosthetist and orthotist. He's the person who create and fit artificial limb replacement for patient who's missing the limb. He'll fit them based on the size of the limb. He'll create a new artificial limb and he'll fit to the patient who is missing the original limb. Rehabilitation nurse means the nurse who help the people with disabilities to move, do the activities independently. Now, speech pathologist means who's an expert and access to speak in range, communication. Okay, speech pathologist means he'll treat from babies to adults who have problem. Okay, psychologist, the person who is expert and in abnormalities of mental status condition patients, mental status is low in mental status. Biomedical engineer, the person who develop new devices and equipments for improving health, design softwares to run equipments. Okay, this is a biomedical engineer. And horticulture therapist, he's a therapist in engagement in gardening and plant based activities. Okay, now next one, play and drama therapist. He is a therapist in music therapist. Music therapist means he'll help their clients to achieve their goals and develop the music with the music with their relationship. Music and their relationship with build up their relationship with music and to help the patients to achieve their goals with the help of the music therapist. Now next one, vocational social worker, vocational counselor, vocational evaluator, skilled instructors, placement officers, child development specialist, special educator, employment agencies, industries, banking and funding agencies, non-government organization, community, family members. Okay, so this is based on society level, social workers like that. Okay, so I hope you understood this topic. Once take a screenshot if you want to. So thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned and do subscribe.